Okay, let's look at this question. Study the circuit diagram below. Connect the batteries and the bulb below to form the circuit represented by the circuit shown. So this is a circuit diagram. You're supposed to use lines, right, to connect these three batteries to the bulb. So I have told you earlier to write down this statement. The three batteries are connected in parallel. So as we have learned earlier, right, if you connect the three batteries in parallel, it means that if any of the battery does not work, the bulb can still be lit. Okay, the bulb can still be lit. So I teach you a method. It's called color coding. So step number one, okay, you look at this bulb here. As you have learned in primary 5, right? This part is called the metal casing. This part is called the metal tip. Okay, let's say a single battery, right? A single battery, this is plus, this is minus. Okay, so you have learned that for this bulb to light up, one end of this, let's say this is the metal casing, it must touch the positive, right? The other end must touch the negative. So this is the condition. Okay, so you must understand this basic condition. For a bulb to light up connected to one battery, the metal tip must touch either one. So it can be the other way as well. If I flip it, you can see it can be this way or it can be this way. Let's say this one touched below, right? So this one, I don't cross the line, I come back here to touch this. This can also work. Understand? So now using this concept, right, to connect the three batteries in parallel to that. Okay, so using this method, I ask you to use two color coding. So I prefer you to start from here. So you draw one line here, you can use red color, and then you go to the top here, and then you stretch to the end here. Okay, because this is the furthest battery, so I want to touch the negative side. Okay, touch the negative side. That means the remaining two batteries, they also must touch this red color wire connected to the negative end of the batteries. So from here, you draw, connect here, and from here, connect to this part. Okay, make sure there's no gap. Yeah, make sure you fill all the gaps. Okay, next, use another color. Now we do this part. This part must connect to the positive. Okay, notice these two positive at the same level, right? So I must have one extra line, and take note, this is the last battery, right? So this line, you must stretch all the way to the back. Okay, and you touch this one first. Touch the positive end. So just close up this. So here, touch here, and then this one, connect here. So notice when you draw circuit diagram, do not cross any wire. So you check here. Now it's do checking, right? So to check, let's say I use let's say green color here. If this battery is not working, okay, if this battery is not working, can you see this light bulb? They can still draw energy from here or from here. It can still work. Okay, likewise, you try for the other, take turn to try. Okay, it should be able to work. So this is one method to connect batteries in parallel. So you just remember to connect batteries in parallel, you have to stretch out the line to make sure that the last battery, the furthest battery, right, touches only the same parts of the metal casing. So if you have decided if the negative want to touch the metal casing, so all the negative must touch the metal casing. Then the positive side must touch the metal tip. So state an advantage of this. So advantage of this is, which I've just mentioned, the light bulb will still be lit even when one of the batteries is not working. Okay? So you write down an answer. I'll repeat, the light bulb will still be lit even when one of the batteries is not working. Okay, next one. This question is quite straightforward. Can you see these three batteries? they are connected in parallel. This setup A is actually something like that. Okay, if you can see, these 3 batteries are connected in parallel, which is actually the same as this. They just flip the thing. Okay, so this one is same as this. Okay, they just flip. And then these 3 batteries are connected in series. So we have learned earlier from the concept, right? Batteries connected in series will cause the bulb to light up brighter, right? So answer is very simple. Because they ask you which bulb will be brighter. So you say the bulb in setup B, okay? Or setup B. Explain your answer. Very simple. So this explanation, you must make a comparison. So you must mention that the 3 batteries in setup B are connected in series, but the 3 batteries in setup A are connected in parallel. Okay? So you have to do the comparison. I repeat, for this answer, you say that the 3 batteries in setup B are connected in series, but the 3 batteries in setup A are connected in parallel. So I hope that you have benefited from this exercise, and will proceed to a more difficult level soon. So those of you who have missed this explanation, you can view the recording, which I will be uploading it to my YouTube channel at One Academy Science. Thank you.